I'm sorry for the interruption of your usual viewing. And please don't try to change channels.
This is Rush to Reason. With John Rush.
There's only one man who would dare give me the raspberry.
Oh, we have something to aspire to then.
And Dan Meurer.
You're my boy, Boo!
I don't know what it is, but it's phenomenal.
Discussing the issues that matter to you.
Don't give yourselves to brutes. Men who despise you, enslave you, tell you what to do, what to think, or what to feel. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men.
Finding real answers. Using logic and reason.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
I get it.
I swear I've seen a lot of stuff in my life, but that was awesome.
Let's do this.
Now, here is your host of Rush to Reason, John Rush.
Yeah, and I'm your host, John Rush, Rush to Reason, KLZ 560, this third hour of this fine Monday show. What?
Okay, so I just ate some of your burnt ends.
Yeah.
Which are absolutely fantastic.
Like open up my own little shop for those, can't I?
Oh, you could. I mean, you should have your own cart or vending cart or
It's one thing I've never desired to do.
food truck.
No.
The burnt ends food truck. But I do right now need some of that Texas toast with the built-in dental floss. Cause I got some
Got stuck in your mouth?
right here.
Get that out of the teeth
Gotta
that
get that
way.
out.
And it's the one downside to the burnt ends is they do tend to get stuck in your teeth.
Oh, but they're good.
They are delicious. All right, Kurt Rogers joining us, Affordable Interest Mortgage, our Monday Mortgage Minute. Kurt, what's happening, sir?
Hey, Kurt.
Well, not a whole lot, just trying to stay busy. How'd you guys like that game yesterday?
Good
Wow,
game.
what a game.
Yeah,
It
good
was
game.
a good football game, man.
Yep, good Super Bowl.
Yep, really was. So what's going on in the mortgage world?
Well, with the stock market going through this gyration that it's going through, you're seeing a lot of movement. What normally happens when the stock market goes down like it is, rates kind of settle down.
Right.
That has not been the case up till today. For the last couple of days, rates have been going up pretty strong. Today, they've turned around and started to come back down.
And if I'm not mistaken, everything I've read, Kurt, that's part of what Wall Street wants to see happen is they want to see rates stabilize, and they want to send I'm guessing they're trying to send a signal to the Fed to say, hey, stop dinking with the rates, leave them alone for a while.
That's exactly what, and I was going to get you right, John. They think that the Feds are talking about raising the rates 3 times this year, and if the market keeps going the way it is, they'll raise them more. And they're like, no, that won't help. That'll hurt everything.
Right.
So you guys need to pay attention and keep rates stable.
Yeah, I see what's happened over the last 2 days, Friday and today, not the weekend, of course, but Friday and today, the correction that's there. I am one, just like you, Kurt, saying, listen, they're just trying to send a strong signal to the Fed that, guys, to your point, pay attention. Things are cranking along here. Don't screw it up.
Yeah, and that's going to affect a lot of people that are looking at buying a home, because now we actually had a customer that a week ago decided no, now they've decided yes, and all of a sudden that home they're priced out because rates moved on them.
Got it.
So you really need to be careful when you're looking that you're not pushing that limit too high when you're trying to buy a home.
All right, and that's stuff that Kurt can help with. So, Kurt, how much – this is a question we don't talk much about. When somebody meets with you for the first time, they call you, you guys figure out a good meeting place, wherever that needs to be, your office or theirs or wherever. How much of their time initially do you need?
Well, if I'm over the phone, we can kind of get a good idea in about 15 minutes. If we meet face-to-face, maybe 30.
So half an hour of their time, and you can get the rest of it done.
I can take care of everything else after that.
Sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Phone number to call?
720-895-0500, and they can go to our website at aimortgage.net.
Hey, Kurt, what you got going on Haystack tomorrow at noon?
We got a financial planner that's going to be on that's going to basically kind of go along with what we've talked about, is what he sees in the market and what's going to happen.
Great.
Very good.
All right, sounds awesome. Kurt, appreciate it very much. Thank you for joining us, as always. Kurt Rogers, Affordable Interest Mortgage, 720-895-0500.